the brutal reality in South Africa at the moment. Let's say you have received a 5% salary increase in this past year, but living costs and living expenses has risen by 15%. This means that you are actually taking a budget cut. It's not because of mismanagement of your finances or ill discipline, but it's because of an inflation gap. And the reality is that your money loses its value, I want to say, every single day, every week, and every month. But here is the good news. I help South Africans to build an asset-based income that's not tied to your employer giving you a yearly increase or that birthday bonus or the Christmas bonus that you need to fill in the gaps. Curious to know more? Comment the word info or click on the link in my bio to find out how this works.